How is everybody doing? Welcome back to today's video. First off, I want to say a huge thank you for all the new subscribers that are coming across the channel, for the likes that you guys have been showing. You guys continue up with the support. I'll continue pushing these videos. Everything that I share with you is straight from the textbook onto the charts. That way you guys don't have to go through the pain of studying these patterns and understanding these fractals. Right over here, we have a 5 move up, followed by an ABC corrective wave to the downside. Let's go ahead and change this to another time frame. And then right over here as well, we have our ABC. You might be wondering, why is this so important? Why are you showing this? This right over here has been a corrective wave ever since 2017. All right, nobody knew this until we started making newer lows at approximately 106 zone. So ever since 2017, Litecoin has been printing a major running flat Elliott wave correction. As we can see, once this C wave is triggered, up we go for our major third or C wave. Now, according to our fib levels that we have right over here, as well as our levels, every time C wave is triggered, massive reversal, we triggered our C wave, and vice versa, massive reversal to the downside, and our most recent C wave, reversal to the upside. All right, this once again is forming on a much bigger time scale. So I'll give you our approximate targets of where this next target should be for the peak and the bottom. Now, a running flat is simple. We trigger our peak. We have our running flat, and then a possible double bottom, triple bottom, whatever you want to call it. So once we get to this zone, this is where major algorithms are going to be going off. Buys are going to be triggered. Some people's stops are going to be triggered, and so on. This is where I plan on dollar cost averaging, and I suggest you guys do the same. Because as soon as this C wave is in, our next wave should be towards our 1.618 fib level, as we discussed in previous videos, to approximately $1,700, which gives us a massive return of, let's just go for $30 as our dollar cost average range, 4,800% return, you guys. All right, so C wave is currently in play. Let the market do its thing. This is all part of the cycle, what you're witnessing right here. All this time, I mean, for the past 4 years, it's been a sideways grind with Litecoin. All right, it's been very painful, and I understand how painful it is. You know, I've held on to coins, investments out there that have been years and years, but eventually they pay off. All right, and this is going to be one of them. This is what market makers want you to go through. This is all part of the cycles, part of Elliott wave theory. You exhaust hodlers. You make people feel like they're, you know, there's no more hope in this coin. Next thing you know, major pump to the upside. All right, this is stuff that I've seen through stocks, Litecoin, Zcash, and many other cryptocurrencies. For example, Zcash, you know, a lot of people were doubting these levels, and look what happened. Major pump to the upside. Intel. All right, this is something that I've been holding on for, oh my god, I mean, for 5 years of downside action, and we finally got that pump. All right, so sometimes the best thing to do in these markets is just patience. That's fine. If these last 4 years have been quite exhausting, I can't go back to the previous. Oh my god, what is going on now? yeah, if these last 4 years have been quite exhausting for you guys, just know, around the corner, there's a massive rally incoming. So this is according to our Elliott Wave theory. Now I can go more in depth with, with subwaves and such, but there's no need. It doesn't make sense. As long as you can see the bigger structure, that's all that matters. Now looking at our RSI, once this level triggered, a major pump to the upside. Once 26 zone index triggered, massive run. And right over here as well, minor run to the upside. And that's exactly what we're witnessing right now. All right, the current levels that we're backtesting is exactly what previous history has backtested and has gone for major pumps to the upside. All right, so I anticipate, price action, let it do its thing, go sideways, do whatever it's got to do. Eventually, it's got nowhere to go, you guys. We are at the bottom of this RSI. How lower can this go? We are at the bottom. It's just crazy. And the fact that it's been 4 years, I can't believe it. I can't believe it's been 4 years ever since our last C wave correction. So let's see how this market plays out. I hope you guys are excited as I am. There's more videos that I want to push for you guys, more in-depth analysis, hopefully for better accurate readings. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. It goes a long way. Helps me, grow this channel and motivates me to upload more videos. Without further ado, I'll see you all in the next video.